TradeMonster.com, 4.5 stars, best online broker, 2 years running according to Barron's. TradeMonster.com.
Hello, this is Chris McCann filling in with today's Volatility Sonar report. VIX is up about 1% right now, 1879. That's kind of in the middle of its range for the day. This comes with the S&P 500 just off the lows of the day, down 5 points, 13.13. VIX futures are all lower. Actually, the February futures now flat at 20.55. Still carrying a pretty hefty premium to the cash VIX itself. The March futures are down slightly, 22.50. The rest of the futures, VIX futures, are lower as well. VIX options volume, about 108,000 contracts, more than 2-to-1 calls to puts, which is fairly typical for the VIX. Except of late, we have seen a lot of put buying trying to take advantage of the steep contango in the futures. Jamie from the floor with Group 1 says that the February skew is getting pretty crazy. He said there's a buyer of the February 27 straddle. It's buying the calls and the puts. He's bought about 80,000 of those over the last 3 days. However, no one's stepping up to sell. So the February upside keeps going higher and higher. The out-of-the-money calls, therefore, are rising even steeper. He said he's bought 20,000 of those today, paying between $7.70 and $7.90 on those. Interesting note as well, the actual volatility of the cash VIX. So it's, again, cash VIX isn't tradable, but the 30-day historical volatility of the VIX index itself is about 64%. That's essentially it's the lowest level since this time last year, coming off levels above 200% in September. So that is at a very low level. Of course, volatility is theoretically mean reverting, so low levels tell us that the actual volatility of the VIX itself may be picking up here in the near term. That's today's Volatility Sonar report.